How to wear multiple back accessories in Roblox. So what I'm going to do is load up my avatar. Then here I'll hover over accessories and I'll go to back. Now, depending on how many you have here, what we want to do is right click on them and then open link in new tab. You will repeat the same process for all of the back accessories that you have. Now, unfortunately, I only have one, but here's how you do it. You click on advanced here, and I'll just remove these. But if you have some asset IDs here, you can leave them as well. And just copy this code here from each back accessory that you want to equip and paste it. Now, if you have multiple, obviously you'll copy the different codes and you will paste them here one after the other. I'm just showing you with the same one. And after we have done this, you'll click on save. And this is going to equip all back accessories that you have added on here. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.